So, mapapansin niyo po, nag-iba na tayo ng carpets dito. So, every locations po kasi,
Ay,
nag-iba tayo ng carpets.
okay.
So, which means we're here at the Pearl Wing. Display natin flower, real orchids.
Real ito?
Pwede niyo po mabakan yung ating, ito yung petals.
Oo nga. Parang ano siya, no? Wing. Let's go.
Okay po, dito po.
Yes.
So, dito naman po is, we have villas din po dito sa Pearl Wing. So, we have Villa Coron. Dito po sa right side is Villa Cebu. So, wala tayong available na keycard for showroom ng villas na. Meron po tayong available na keycard for showroom sa Coral Wing po yan. So, mga executive na suites. And we also have Villa El Nido. That's
El
mga worth
Nido.
1 million peso per year.
Wala nga.
Kaya naman. So, membership program na discount sa villas.
Paano pala pag member ka tapos book ka dito, may discount ba yun?
Kapag for check-in, ma'am,
Oo.
opo, 10% discount. Kung magpapabook kayo, kung mismong Okada kayo, kasi pag sa mga travel agency kayo nag-avail, so hindi nyo na magagamit yung
yung discount.
discounts po. So, discounted na po yun sa
Wala pala.
Lazada, Agoda.
Oo nga, sa Agoda.
Travel agency, yan. Discounted price na po yun. So, here at Pearl Wing, we have the retreat spa. So, inside the retreat spa, we have barbershop and salon.
Yan.
We have barbershop and
Picture! May picture ako dyan eh.
So, once your check-in guest, hindi na kayo lalabas ng property kung gusto nyo magpagupit or magpasalon. We have barbershop and salon inside the retreat spa, and we also have swimming pool and fitness center. Inside the retreat spa, we have a relaxation room. Inside the relaxation room, we have a jacuzzi, sauna, steam room, and shower room. And we also have wave room for meditate. If you have anxiety or sleeping disorder, you can proceed at the wave room for relaxation. So, once your check-in guest, you need to add 888 pesos para po sa mga facilities natin. So, yung babayaran niyo po kasi dito is yung massage treatment. So, kapag nag-avail po kayo ng massage treatment, lahat po ng facilities sa loob pwede niyo magamit. Kung check-in guest naman po kayo, gusto niyo gamitin yung ating relaxation room and yung swimming pool, you need to add 888 pesos. If you are checking this.